Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn a new Spanish phrase. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. If you're interested in supporting this channel, you can get a membership on this channel. I'm leaving some information here and you can click on the join button to get one membership. Also, I would like to say thank you to all the people who have donated. Thank you for donating. All that is greatly appreciated. Also, before we get started, I would like to let you know that now you can download some amazing flashcards. Here they are. This is the first set. I'm going to create more. I made these so you can carry your flashcards with you everywhere. It can be a keychain. It's so adorable. It can fit in your pocket and you can learn colors in Spanish. That's amazing. And it's something that supports this channel as well. I will create more sets so you can get as many as you want. If you want more information about this, please just click on the link down below. The people who have donated money more than what this costs, you can send me an email to hola@smlessons.com and I will send you this for free. Okay, let's get started. So the Spanish phrase of the day is para nada. Para nada. This is a Spanish phrase that is commonly used, just as every single word I talk about on this channel. They're pretty commonly used in Spanish. And this phrase means at all or for nothing. So yeah, we can see that we can use this phrase for two different situations. Okay, so let's see a few examples so we can know a little bit about how this phrase works. Okay, so the first example is todo el entrenamiento fue para nada. Todo el entrenamiento fue para nada. All the training was for nothing. That is a really frustrating situation when you work really hard and something doesn't work out. So para nada means for nothing in this example. So you can use para nada when you're frustrated, when you want to say, oh my God, I did all of this for nothing. Todo el entrenamiento fue para nada. All the training was for nothing. Let's see another example. No me gusta para nada tu amigo. No me gusta para nada tu amigo. This means I don't like your friend at all. So we can see here that para nada is in the middle of the sentence and my straight line is not straight. Para nada is in the middle of the sentence and it means at all. We can see that para nada can go in the middle of sentences and at the end of sentences. Okay? It depends on the situation. In this situation, I think it's better if you put para nada at the end of the sentence. Todo el entrenamiento fue para nada. And then here we can put or place para nada in the middle of the sentence. No me gusta para nada tu amigo. You could also say, no me gusta tu amigo para nada. So if you don't know where to place para nada, you can place it mainly at the end of sentences. But in some situations, you can put it in the middle. And that's correct. You can do that and that's perfectly fine. Now let's see another example. The last example. La mesera no fue para nada atenta. La mesera no fue para nada atenta. This means the waitress wasn't attentive at all. Para nada in this situation is in the middle of the sentence, or pretty much in the middle of the sentence. La mesera no fue para nada atenta. You could also place para nada at the end in this example. La mesera no fue atenta para nada. Okay? So, para nada is a little flexible. You can use it mainly at the end of sentences or sometimes in the middle of sentences if it makes sense. But if you are in doubt, just place it at the end of the sentence. Okay? And now we're going to read some of your comments. Okay, so the first comment is from Tim Barton. Or Tim Barton. He says, but you don't have to use de if después is the last word in the sentence. This comment is from, or question is from the Spanish lesson Learn Spanish Después de, Spanish phrase of the day 321. We're talking in that video about después de. So if you don't know or you haven't watched this video, just click somewhere here or here to watch that video because you will understand more what Tim is talking about. Yes, Tim, you can use después by itself at the end of sentences. It all depends on what you want to say. For example, you can say te veo después. I'll see you later. Te veo después. You don't have to add después de. So después de is used in certain situations, which I talked about in that video, después de. But you can definitely use después at the end of sentences. And of course, it depends what you want to say. So that's a great question. Let's see another comment. Gordon Reed. Eres el mejor. Siempre espero tus nuevos videos y te escucho atentamente. Estoy aprendiendo. Gracias por todo lo que haces. This comment is from Setting Things Straight, Spanish lesson. That's an interesting video. Thank you, Gordon, for your question. And I just have to correct something really quickly. Your Spanish is really good. At the beginning of the comment, you say eres el mejor, and you gotta change that and say eres la mejor because I'm a woman. So eres el mejor means you're the best, but if you're saying that to a man, right? But if you're saying you're the best to a woman in Spanish, you should say eres la mejor. Eres la mejor. Okay, so that's just a minor mistake, but the rest is very good. Your Spanish is great. And you're welcome. I'm glad the lessons are helping. Okay, now let's see one more comment. This comment is from Learn Spanish, ocurrir, Spanish word of the day 322. This is from John Callery. John leaves always great comments on this channel, that's for sure. He says, Hola, Sugar Astronaut. Me acaba de ocurrir que todavía no usted ha tocado la guitarra para nos. In English, this phrase is correct, but is it correct in Spanish? Gracias por todas sus lecciones y cuídate. Okay, that is a great comment. Thank you, John. Your phrase is good. It's actually pretty great. There are a few mistakes, and let's correct that here. Me acaba de ocurrir. Right here, we need to add se. Se me acaba de ocurrir. Okay, so that is correct. Se me acaba de ocurrir que todavía no. You don't need usted, so forget about usted there. Que todavía no ha tocado la guitarra para nos. I assume you want to say nosotros. Nosotros. Okay, so que todavía no ha tocado la guitarra para nosotros. In English, this phrase is correct, but is it correct in Spanish? Gracias por todas sus lecciones y cuídate. Okay, so gracias por todas sus lecciones y right here, you should say, instead of cuídate, you should say cuídese. 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 Okay, so it's either formal or informal. Remember that. But other than that, your grammar is perfect. Your Spanish is great, John. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked this lesson. And let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions about the Spanish phrase para nada. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And also visit smlessons.com to download these flashcards, or if you want to learn more Spanish. Remember that you can support this channel through memberships. Just click on the join button down below. Of course, you can support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!